Welcome. Take a deep breath in and gently exhale. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Allow your body to begin to soften. Let go of any tension you're holding. Feel the air entering your nose, cool and calm, and leaving slowly and warm. Let your shoulders drop. Relax your jaw. Release your hands. This is your moment, a safe space to return to yourself, to your true center. Inhale deeply. Imagine light filling your body. Exhale slowly. Let go of any emotional weight. You are not your thoughts. You are not your fears. You are the calm beneath the noise. With every breath, you reset. With every breath, you return. Silently repeat, I am safe. I am grounded. I am at peace. Feel that peace growing within you. Soft, steady, eternal. Let it expand through your chest, down your arms, through your legs, to your toes. You are whole. You are worthy. You are exactly where you need to be. Now, bring your attention to your heart. Notice its rhythm, a reminder that you are alive and capable of love. Whatever you've been holding, it's okay to let it go now. Allow forgiveness to flow, first to yourself, then to others. You are returning home to the truth of who you are. Now, silently repeat, I release what no longer serves me. I welcome peace, clarity, and love. Feel your breath gently rising and falling, slowing down. Stay here for a few moments in stillness, in presence, in peace. And when you're ready, bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Take one final deep breath in. Exhale slowly. Carry this sense of peace with you into the rest of your day. You've returned to yourself. And you are whole. Have a beautiful day. Namaste. Thank you for meditating with us. If you found peace today, please give this video a like. For more guided meditations and deeper tranquility, subscribe to our channel and activate the bell.